Hey, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Good morning. Glory be to God. First things first in the morning. What's up? Everybody in the chat. What's up? How y'all doing this morning? Oh, let me light us up a little bit. We're a little dark. All right. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. What's up, Deontay? I see you in the chat. Okay, all right, let's go. Make sure everything's good before we get started. Touching some imbalance, going down a little bit. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. We got market open up in 30 more minutes. Let's see what we got. What we got? Man, market open. Hold up. That's what we getting right now. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. All right. First things first. Not much, man. Just, early morning. Ready to get it started. That's all. Let's get it. First thing, man. Man. What? I love when these levels get hit, man. That's the best feeling. Anyways, what's up, Elizabeth? It's good seeing y'all in the chat, man. Good morning to y'all. We coming down a little bit. We had a huge pump. Oh my goodness, man. We had a huge pump. At 7:30, we had CPI. Can't be mad at it, guys. Can't be mad at it. But it's all good. We're gonna catch a good trade today. First things first. Y'all already know how I like to do it. First things first, gotta spread that word. That's how we do it. Let me clean my palette a little bit. All right, first things first. Let's get it. We have 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 6. So be truly glad. There is a wonderful joy ahead, even though you must endure many trials for a little while. These trials will show that your faith is genuine. It is being tested as fire tests and purifies gold, though your faith is far more precious than mere gold. So when your faith remains strong through many trials, right? When your faith remains strong through many trials, it will bring you much praise and glory and honor on a day when Jesus Christ is revealed to the whole world. You love him even though you have never seen him. Though you do not see him now, you trust him and you rejoice with his glorious and impressible joy. The reward for trusting him will be the salvation of your souls. Guys, remember this. We gotta remain faithful. God is coming back and he's looking for his faithful ones. He's given us that free gift of salvation and grace and mercy. He's given us all of these beautiful gifts, right? Even though he know we are sinners. We are all sinners, right? We all sinners. We sin every day. But as we remain faithful in him, we're gonna be happy. He's gonna give us exceeding joy because he knows that we've been his faithful servants this whole time. No matter what the trial, no matter what the situation, no matter what the circumstance, no matter what the problem is, you remain faithful in him, he's gonna bless you with the crown of life. Glory be to God. Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Good morning to y'all. Let's get it. You funny, Deontay. But that's what's up, man. Appreciate the love. Let's get it. Oh, man. I'm just... Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We had this big pump. Man, what is going on? Everything look a little dim in here. Let me know if y'all want that word again. I will be talking about the word every so often and periodically through the chat. Through the stream. It's a little dark in here. See if I can get some more light. Goodness. All right, we good to go. Let's go. Let's get it. Make sure the charts are running smoothly. Let me know if I'm lagging. I'm on the daily. Okay, we good on that. Make sure ES up and Q up. Look on the screen. Make sure we good. All right. Welcome everybody in the chat. Let's get it started. Make sure my charts are right. Okay, charts looking good. Charts looking good. Looking good. All right. Look at a 4 hour. Man. All right, let's get it. So now let's look at this daily. I like to start on the daily. Actually, I want to look on the weekly. I want to look at the weekly. I want to see where we pumped at, where we went to, We finally took it out that high, that liquidity on ES. Can you see it? Finally took it out. That money right here, that green line. What else we got? Let me put this fair value gap right here on the weekly. A little weekly fair value gap. Weekly fair value gap right here. Right? Let's do some charting real quick. Look at NQ, see what we got right here. We ain't got nothing. We still got these highs that we gotta tap into. Still got these highs. Right? Still got this liquidity. I'm gonna put liquidity. Liquid. Wait. Liquid. Wait, hold up. Sorry, my bad. Liquid. Right? Got one right here too. Right? Still got these highs we gotta take out. Bop. Alright, what else we have above? Still got some above on ES. I'm gonna put that just to have it, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it right there. Liquid. Alright, let's drop down to a daily, see what we have. Also on NQ. Are we tapping into any zones? We got a fair value gap right here. We also got one right here, but let me place that right there. Hold up. Right. Fair value gap right there. Alright. Got some more highs right here. So right now, y'all, we just charting. So we're gonna chart a little bit to make sure that we're not missing no zones. That can be a possible move to bounce off of, to play off of, whatever, you know. Just making sure that I'm seeing everything I can see in this time frame. Also right here, we get a rejection right back down to them lows. Alright, making sure I'm looking at NQ, making sure I'm not missing out anything on NQ. What is this? Oh, that's from yesterday. Alright, we had that huge pump, but it looks like we're moving sideways. Might have a little retracement back down, but I think it's gonna happen once the market opens. We got market open up in 22 minutes. Let's look at this 4 hour. Make sure I go back over to back into history to look at what the 4 hour looks like. You don't want to miss no important spots, y'all. Alright, right here. Alright. Do I see anything? Let me look at a different time frame on here. Do I see anything that could possibly be a potential move? Potential move. Alright, okay. Consider that a 3 hour, a 4 hour? What is that? One 3 A level. Bro, is my charts wrong on here? I think so. So nothing really gonna happen right now. I think we in range after we had that huge move. So we're gonna see. I think we might come back down to the shorts, but I want to see if I can find some more zones before I really take any trades. Give me a tiny second, y'all. A tiny second. All right, bet. All right. Actually, I'll put this right here. Let's see what we got right here. $147 level. 147, 147. That's tough. Let me get rid of this right here and go to 1 hour. Market opens up in 18 more minutes. Alright. Okay. Alright. I can rock with this one. Right here. Bye. I rock with that one. I'll keep it right here. I'm gonna go back on that. Just in case we want to pump. Alright, there we go. Also right here, make sure I ain't missing nothing. Alright. Let's see right here. I'm gonna say this is a 1 hour. What's good, Kingdom? What's up, Kingdom? Man, it's good seeing you in the chat, man. Good seeing you in the chat. $1 hour supply right here. All right, let me push this market. I'm gonna push this screen over so I can really get back to it real fast. I'm not gonna babyfy this. Market opens up in 15 more minutes, y'all. Make sure I put some more lines. Make sure I ain't missing anything. Zone maybe. What you gonna see? What you gonna see? Scoot over just a tad bit. $1 hour fair value gap right here. What will you be looking for today? What will you be looking? I don't know, Jazzy. We're gonna see. We're gonna see, Jazzy. I haven't really looked yet. I'm still trying to like chart right now. I want to chart real quick. I think we might continue long. But I just want to like really put these charts up first because I like that big move we had. We're gonna see. I want to see where the market gonna go. Market could drop. I don't know. We're gonna see. CPI came out 730, and we had that big old move. I seen PW already caught a nice $37,000 banger. I'm like, man, that dude already early morning. I should have hopped on that early, but it's all good though. 1 hour fair value gap right here. 1 hour fair value gap right here. Also, I seen an inverse, so I'm just putting zones just in case we get a nice reversal somewhere. I want to see. Also got an inverse right here, which I would like to see pan out. So I'm just putting as many zones as I can without overdoing it, but to make sure that I'm still getting that confirmation. Call this a 1 hour IFVG. I'm gonna change the color of this like a different color so it can kind of look better. So I won't be, kind of confused on what I'm looking at. All right. 1 hour. This is an old 1 hour right here. See if we can reject off that. We got some liquidity right here. I'm using these zones to see how aggressive we're gonna play off these zones, or how far in we're gonna continue to go in these zones. So it's gonna be, I'm just putting as many as I can just to be ready. Just to be ready. I wanna be ready, y'all. I really do. I don't wanna like have no surprises. I have like another, I have this level, I have that level. There's just all there, right? Just to see. And we're finally coming into it. Okay, let's go, man. I'm excited for the day. Oh, Lord Jesus, I pray we have a good session. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. All right, so zone right here. Well, no, it's not. I wouldn't say this is a zone. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it be. I'm gonna leave it be. Just points of bounces. I'm gonna just put this as points of interest. White lines, point of interest. Okay, so let's see. All right. Okay. What's up, Trucker? Man, we got the team. Man, we got the Avengers in here, man. We got the Dream Team. Let's go. We just need a little bit more people in here that we know. Get this trading. Y'all see that big move. I know y'all caught that move. You ain't gotta hold out from me. I know you caught it. I know you made a good 10 bands. Caught this move. Made some money. I mean, I missed it. All right, let's get to it. Let's look at what let's look at what ES got going on too. I gotta see what ES. I know gold probably performing really well. So I'm keeping up with all these markets. Oh wow, nice little move. I like that. Let me look at ES again. I want to make sure that I'm not getting myself caught up in the mix. Go right here. Go to the daily on ES. Make sure that we not mixing anything up. Get that daily there. Get all this out of the way. All this old junk. Man, we just come on. Market opens up in 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Market opens up. Constant respect, right? Constant respect, right? Wow. You can't even fake it. Took out that high with that liquidity. I'm gonna make this line white. I'm gonna call it liquid. I'm gonna make everything white though. Alright, Bob. Okay, we already tapped that. Bet. Alright, bet. Alright. So trucking. Range bounding right now, but that's okay. Big move. Big. How many ticks is that? 730. Nice 500 ticks. 500. Ooh. Nice. What is it? 130 points? Jeez, man. What else we got? Just make sure I'm not missing anything before we get started. Are we bouncing off something right now? Let me see. Are we bouncing off a zone? Bouncing off some type of zone. I think we are. Right here. Bop. I should have figured. Should have known that we was going to bounce off something and continue. What else? Nothing. It's good seeing y'all in the chat. Market opens up in 8 more minutes. We getting that bounce off these little highs right here. That's cool though. Look what ES is doing. Make sure we getting that bounce. Make sure that I'm not missing out on that. Right. ES getting that bounce. Right. I bet. I'm gonna go down to a 30-minute just to get more confirmation on something. Okay, we got another one right here. Just another little top. Place that right there. All right. All right. All right. There we go. Right there. I think we good. I think we good. We're gonna wait till market open. All right, so we don't have really any more exciting news coming this evening or sometime this afternoon, but we had CPI come out, made the market move literally 500 ticks, and people are looking for this drop. They want to see a retracement. Everybody wants to see a retracement. Once I see, I might take the retracement if it does happen, but once I see more volume, the buyers drying up, I'll take the short. If I don't see the volume and I don't see the buyers drying up, I'm not taking the short. Even though we're not really in a zone, we're bouncing off of, what is this, a daily? What is this? Let me see. What did I put right here? What's this was? What is this? This is a 4-hour. This is a, I think this is a daily. Let me get rid of this. I want to get rid of this. There we go. I want to get rid of that. So that is a daily fair value gap. Daily fair value gap. We got some more zones. Just little liquidity points to see where we might reject off of. That's all. All right. See, we'll go into this daily. Let me go down to a 4-hour. Right. Okay. All right. So for the most part, look on the daily. What did we get? That break of structure. We got the break of structure right here. Right. Had a retracement. BOS. We had the break of structure. Right. Break of structure right here. You can't miss it. It's right in your face. Green bar passed this high. We had the retracement. Came right back up. Man, that would have been. Oh, what was that? Hold up, y'all. All right, back to it. We had that break of structure. Nice retracement, and we had the push up CPI, right? It's funny how these moves always happen before that market really opens. It's funny how it happens. It does that. The market tends to do that. You get that retracement before market open, it pumps, and now we gotta play the market in like when it's already extended. Gotta love it, right? Gotta love it. Drop it down to a 4-hour. Had a retracement to this point. Hold on, let me get rid of all these little. I think I see stuff. Let me get rid of this stuff. Hold up. Give me a second. Yeah, let me get rid of this stuff right here. Get rid of some of this stuff. Got some liquidity below too, for sure. Get rid of this. I don't want this to be in the way while we trading. There we go. That too. What else? Do we anything else? All right. So like I was saying, back to a 4-hour. So we had the retracement and we had the bounce. That bounce right off this right here. Perfect bounce. I like that. Right? Like that. Go down to a 1-hour. Had a retracement. Had a bounce right here. Man, just perfect bounces. Right? Just temporary maintenance. What's going on? Y'all see that? What's going on? Alright, whatever that was. That's strange. Y'all seen that? Why are we getting this? Why are we getting this? Do I need to log off and log back in? What's going on? Hey, let me know in the chat. Y'all seen that, right? That's crazy. Y'all getting that same message? Alright, that's distracting. 3 more minutes until market opens. Now I better not do it again while I'm trading. I'm gonna be kind of like annoyed. Alright, let's see what we got. Fair value gap right here. Let me see if I can make it to a better fair value gap. 2 more minutes until this fair value gap creates. Alright, so we got 30 minutes on the 1 hour, 2 minutes on the rest of these time frames below. So let's see. See if I can find us a fair value gap that I can play off of. Something I can play off of. Can these shorts play out? 30-minute fair value gap right here. I mean, not 30 minute, 15 minute. Was it a 30 minute? No, 15 minute. 15 minute fair value gap right here. 15 minute fair value gap. Same thing on ES. 15 minute. I mean, I would like to see us come down though. I would love to see it. But the market tends to do what it wants. So we're gonna see. Getting a retracement, but that don't mean anything. I would like to see longs pan out. If we do come down to a short, that'd be nice. But I would like to see the longs play out. I want to see where we can play out though. Maybe we can get the bounce off at the Maybe we can get the bounce at the half point of 15-minute fair value gap, and also the liquidity point. Take the bounce and go long. I would like to see that happen. Let me see. Also on 21,970, 21,970. 21,970, 21,970. I would like to see us kind of like get in this area. Man, it's going to be nice. These shorts might come in. We're going to see. It's going to be nice. Then we getting that short now. Market about to open at 10 more minutes, y'all. 10 more minutes. Market opens up. We're in this range. Market's open. Market drop. A lot of people going for those shorts. Sellers are, dude, the sellers about to come in. Dang, there's a lot of sellers on the books, but the thing is, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Let's get ready, y'all. It's about to get massive right now. Respect, respect. See if I can find anything on the 5-minute. Funny how there's a lot of sellers, but there's a passive buyer in this market. There's a lot of sellers, but a passive buyer in this market that's holding this market up. Wow. Wow, wow. All these sellers, but there's so many people. Wow, all these sellers, but there's so many people. That's so many passive buyers holding this market up. Wow, 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 wow. That's amazing. Wow. But they might push down. We're gonna see. Let me get to a short right now. Go for one. Put my stop above these highs right here. I want to see these. Dang, they really shut up right here. See if we can tap into that previous day high. Wow, it happened so fast. So fast. There we go. All right. Up 36. A quick scout. Something small. I wanted to see what happened. Wow, we are dropping. I wanted to see what happened right here. When I say the sellers are, man, the sellers are tanking this market. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I was going to do it this fast. I thought they was going to fake everybody out and just continue to go long. Look at this move. Look at this move. Oh my goodness. All right, so we are in a 15-minute supply. 15-minute fair value gap. See if we can get a bounce somewhere. See if we can get a move going back up long. It already hot so fast. No way. Hold up. Wait a minute. That's cute and all. But are we getting nah, we going long. I just gotta find I gotta find an entry. What's up, Abdul? What's up? Wait for sellers to dry up. Definitely waiting for sellers to dry up. I think it's aggressive. I should have went heavy on that short. I seen it happening, but somebody was trying to hold this market up. Like literally, you seen sellers pounding the sell button, bro. Like you just seen it, and then all of a sudden it just kept going up, and then it finally gave in. I should have went heavy on that move. That was actually, how many ticks was that? This was a $153 point tick. Tick move. That's amazing. I would have did it, but man, sometimes you just gotta be careful because with a market open and it's volatile like that, you gotta be careful because you never know what's bound to happen. Break a structure. Can we come back into this? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing real good. Give me a second. Yeah, make sure my computer ain't running stupid hot. Nah, I'm doing good, y'all. I pray the stream goes off, I will restart the stream. If the charts ain't loading, let me know in the chat. If something is glitching out, just let me know in the chat. But I pray that everything works out, though. I really do. I pray that the stream runs smoothly. I would like to see us come back in here and just have a nice bounce. That would really set it off for me. I don't know why, but something's telling me to put this as an area. I don't know why. I'm gonna just set it. I'm gonna just set it just because. Just set it just because. Yeah, we're waiting for that. We're waiting for that dry up. Man. All right, we're tied into that liquidity. Let's see if we can get that retracement. Ooh, right here too. Bop. See if we can get that retracement back. We're above it on the 1 hour. Ooh. I might go into